where we have a national program to enforce the law on the fight against illicit killer brews, as well as narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. We have reviewed the progress that has been made by the teams here. Some progress has been made, but we believe there is a lot more that we can do to make sure that we eradicate this problem permanently this time round, because in the past, whenever we've tried to do this, we've done it for a few months and then we go back to factory settings. This time round, we've decided to sustain this war on a permanent basis, the way we have sustained the war on other serious national security threats. What these poisonous drinks, unhealthy drinks, drugs, and substances are doing is that they are destroying the best of our population. They are making our young people unproductive, socially and economically. They are making crime levels even go high. And I want to here confirm that actually since we began the crackdown nationally on 7th of March, there has been a sharp decline on reported crime statistics across the country, meaning there is a link between the drug problem, the illicit alcohol problem, and crime levels. So we want to secure our country, but we also want our people to engage in productive activities. When they wake up, not to go and look for poison to kill themselves, not to go and look for drugs, but when they wake up, let them go and struggle to feed their families, let them find something to do, and I'm sure we cannot use the excuse of joblessness to approve the kind of conduct that we are seeing, especially in urban centers, but also in rural areas alike. So we made good progress here in Kisii. I think about 95 suspects have been arrested and arraigned in court. We have also been able to seize about 40,000 liters of illicit and poisonous drinks. We've also been able to destroy a number of illegal breweries. We've closed down a number of premises that were selling alcoholic drinks without licenses. And also we have also closed down a number of premises that were selling alcoholic drinks with licenses, but operating within the prohibited proximity to learning institutions and other guidelines under national law. So that campaign is going on, and we've discussed how to upscale that war in the coming weeks. We'll be coming to check on it again in a very short period of time. Nationally, I think the program has done well, the enforcement program nationally. As at this morning, we have been able to shut down 6,500 premises which were operating with licenses, but contrary to the Alcoholic Drinks Control Act, which is national law and which is superior than the county laws by virtue of our constitution. Therefore, those licenses have been revoked for violating national law, and 6,500 premises closed. We have also shut down 12,150 premises across the country which were operating without licenses from any authority. So in total, we have 18,650 premises that are shut down. We have also shut down, as of this morning, 14 distilleries which are operating illegally in various parts of the country. And we have also destroyed the infrastructure of those breweries to ensure that we destroy the production capability of manufacturing poisonous substances to the people of Kenya. So that is where we are. We have also closed quite a number of agrovets and chemists, some of which were operating outside the law, and we are working very closely with the Pharmacy and Poisons Board, which is the regulator of that industry. We are also working with the veterinary department because we've had to close a number of agrovet stores which were operating without licenses, and some of them were being used to sell animal drugs or veterinary drugs, which some of them are being used to concoct hard drugs, mix them with other substances to generate some of the drugs that our children and our young people are using to destroy their lives. So that war is on course. So this morning I'm happy to come to this facility. As I said, we are locating it. There is a bit of progress. It's a bit of progress in terms of that work, and we will see then what happens.